People who are great at saving money do not just earn more. They have quietly eliminated purchases the rest of us make automatically. Here are 10 things they stop buying and what they do instead. Brand name products when the store brand is identical, 20 to 40% cheaper. Daily coffee shop drinks at $6 each. That is $2,190 every year. Extended warranties. They almost never pay out and are pure profit for stores. Multiple streaming services running at the same time. Pick one and rotate quarterly. Gym memberships they are not actually using every week. Software or app subscriptions used once a month at most. New cars. They buy 2 to 3-year-old vehicles and save thousands on depreciation. Impulse purchases. They wait 48 hours before buying anything over $50. Convenience fees, ATM charges, rush shipping, late payment penalties. Things bought to impress other people, the most expensive purchases of all. They decide in advance exactly what their money is for. They track where every dollar actually goes each month. A simple budget tracker makes intentional spending automatic. Use the free budget tracker in the description to start tracking where your money goes. Most people find $200 to $400 in spending they forgot about. Link below. New videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.